I consider having Nina as one of my biggest blessings in life. When I was younger, people asked me what I wanted to be. I always said Nina. She is my protector, my confidant, my person, and my best friend. And knowing that Dan is your husband and will always keep you safe also gives me peace.
That feeling you both have inside you at this moment, you don't need a wedding or a room full of people around you to experience. The love you feel now will always be there. You just need to remember to look for it at all times, even in the midst of hardships. I love you both very, very much. Congratulations, and never stop looking for your love.
Dan is the kind of guy that you buy a Christmas gift for, and 2 years later, you find out he hasn't even opened it yet. Dan is also the kind of guy that always makes sure that his friends are having an amazing time, always. Dan is also the kind of guy that knows how to love. He spent an entire year researching the science behind diamonds and how they work and reflect light so that he can buy Nina the most amazing engagement ring. Dan is the kind of guy that goes to extreme lengths to put a smile on Nina's face. He's the kind of guy that his main goal is to live a happy life with Nina 100%. And for all those reasons, I think Dan is the kind of guy that is perfect for Nina.
There's no words to show you how. No song that's come from Taylor to crowd. I'll take my soul, pour it out at your feet. I wait patiently for you. Oh, I will forever and always put you before me till the end of time. But until